Welcome to Solve It Like a Marketer. I'm Stephen Hobey. Today I'll be exploring eco-friendly marketing strategies that work. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't go away. Now let's start off by defining green marketing. So green marketing refers to the practice of developing and advertising products based on their real or perceived environmental sustainability. So examples of green marketing include advertising the reduced emissions associated with a product's manufacturing process. It could also take into account post-consumer recycled materials for a product's packaging. Now, some companies may also market themselves as being environmentally conscious by donating a portion of their sales to environmental initiatives such as tree planting. So, how does green marketing work? Well, green marketing is one component of a broader movement towards socially and environmentally conscious business practices. Increasingly, consumers have come to expect companies to demonstrate their commitment to improving their operations. This is alongside various environmental, social, and governance criteria. Many companies choose to distribute social impact statements, and these periodically self-report their progress toward these goals. Typical examples of improvements might include the reduction of carbon emissions involved in a company's operations. They may address the implementation of high labor standards, as well as philanthropic programs designed to support the communities in which the company operates. Although green marketing refers specifically to environmental initiatives, these efforts are increasingly presented alongside social and corporate governance policies as well. So let's dig into strategies for a more sustainable business practice, as well as eco-friendly marketing strategies that work. Here is a list of aspects that your company may consider. Choose your sustainable, unique selling proposition. So it's easy to label your offering as zero waste, free of toxins, biodegradable, or low emissions. But if this isn't wholly true, there's no point in trying to glorify your green approach. That's what we politely call greenwashing. So be sure to be upfront and truthful. Possibly you are working towards zero waste in 5 years, or building capacity to have biodegradable production. Whatever the case, it's great to land on a firm statement, and one that differentiates you from your competitors, and then build this into the very DNA of your company. Next, adopt eco-friendly or eco-conscious design. So here are a few questions that you might consider. What would be the source of the materials that you use? What will be the manufacturing process? What will this entail? Will there be any waste generated in the process? If so, how much? Is there a reuse aspect to your product? Next, replace traditional marketing with digital marketing. So let's face it, traditional marketing is not exactly environmentally friendly. It tends to use lots and lots of paper, or at least promotes the use of paper and other non-environmentally friendly products, such as, say, billboards. So digital is better. Social media is your friend, so make it work for you. Next, foster a sustainability-based work culture. So if you've made sustainability part of your company's DNA, then everyone should be working towards this philosophy. And these could be little things, such as biking to work rather than driving, having a strong waste protocol at your offices, making sure everyone recycles and reduces plastic consumption. This can also be a really great marketing point as well. You are indeed walking the walk as a company. So not just paying lip service. So tell this story on social media. Next, support local vendors within your community. So when purchasing, say, raw materials from local suppliers, you're actually eliminating your carbon footprint. So if they were delivered by bicycle or another energy efficient vehicle, for instance, That's really a bonus point. So pick the organizations that align with your values and beliefs and partner up with them for the betterment of the community. And once again, I have to say, this is great to promote on social media. Lots of pictures and stories to tell. Now, the upshot to all of this is that being sustainable as a company isn't just saying that you are. It's about being genuine and transparent. So not just about focusing on your products and services and making sure these have environmentally friendly approaches. It's all about the aspects of your company and focusing on this. From a marketing perspective, if you are all in, this will give rise to great opportunities. You can literally shout this from the rooftops. So by talking about your offerings, showcasing your employees and vendors, and being transparent and honest, this will really shine through. And believe me, it will resonate with your customers. You will gain new clients, foster some great relationships, and cement true brand loyalty. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. You can also catch me on Instagram and Facebook for extra content and you never miss an episode, or please connect with me on LinkedIn. Those links are below. I will see you every week with a new video, so please do stay tuned. And together, let's solve it like a marketer.